Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what I'm gonna be diving into is the wonderful world of dropshipping with print on demand, and I'll show you how to set up your own online store using Ecwid and incorporating Printful. So, if you're ready, let's get right into it. Alright, so before I start, let me just quickly go over what dropshipping with print on demand actually means. So, dropshipping in a nutshell is a business model where you don't need any inventory. Instead, you would work with a supplier, in our case, Printful, who handles the fulfillment, shipping of products directly to our customers. And with print on demand, we can create custom designed products such as t shirts, mugs, and more. And it's only when an order is placed that we actually would pay from what we get from our customers. So it's a fantastic way to start an online business with low upfront cost and minimal risk. All right. So the first step is to choose an e-commerce platform to host our online store, which in our case we're going to be using Ecwid because it's user friendly and it integrates seamlessly with Printful. Plus, it offers a free plan to get started, so we can head over to our Ecwid, and I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can sign up for your free Ecwid account and we can get started. So this is the Ecwid dashboard, the main page. On this side, you will click up here. Once you click the link in the description, you click get started for free and you'll sign up. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to create mine with you. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on sign up with Google so we can do it together. All right. All right, so this is basically you're gonna be taken to this page. So what are we gonna name our store? All right, in my case, I'm planning to do a store where I sell like Jamaican type of merch, more on the provocative side type of merchandise. All right, so let's say I'm gonna use the name of my brand is Yard Brand, so that's YAADBRAND, and I'm gonna use a Z instead. So that's the name of my company. All right, so it asks you for your currency and your country. So if you're in the United States or you're gonna target people from the US, you can select the United States. In my case, that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I want my currency to be in USD. So I'm gonna go and look for United States. It's normally at the top as well, USD. Here we go. All right, and I click on next. But just for the sake of video, I'm just gonna put a city in here. So I'm gonna go Miami and Florida, and this is a zip code. This is basically the my mail pack US shipping address. All right, so if you have a shipping forward company, you can use that as well if you're in Jamaica. But if you have an address, go ahead and use that. All right, so just a little questionnaire here. Do you have experience in selling? You can select I'm just getting started and or stuff. So I'm just gonna click just getting started. What type of products will you be selling? I'm gonna go for apparel, shoes, and accessories. All right, and it asks if I'm setting up this store for someone else. So I'm gonna click no, then click next. All right, and it also asks if I already have a website. I'm gonna select no, and then it asks this will be the domain name for my website, so it will be yard-brands.company.site, unless you purchase a domain on like GoDaddy for like $12. You can definitely change that later. All right, so now we need to select the plan. So like I said before, there's a free plan here where we can use to start, and then the venture plan, but this is on the annually. So if you select monthly right here, it's $19 per month, and this one gives you up to 100 products, custom domain, Facebook, Instagram integration. You can track your orders, store management app, so you can download the Ecwid app and you can also manage your store from your phone, and you get calculated shipping rates. So a lot of good stuff. So this is the plan I'll upgrade to once we start making some sales. So but before that, we can start with the free plan, and then if you want to upgrade, you'll click the little upgrade star here in the top right hand corner when you're ready to upgrade. So once you signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard that we're seeing here. This is where you'll manage your store and products. Now let's integrate Printful with Ecwid so we can start selling our custom products. So now we would need to go over to Printful. I'm going to leave a link in the description as well where you can sign up for Printful for absolutely free. All right. So now that we're in Printful, you would need to create an account. It's pretty simple, name, email address, and you confirm your email. All right. These are a few stores that I already have that I'm selling print on demand products. So I have an eBay store, I have an Etsy store, and this is another Ecwid store that I have that I sell baby products. All right. So now that we have our Printful set up, we would go back to our Ecwid page. Down here where it says apps, you'd select apps. All right. And once that loads up, you can click drop shipping right here, or you could use a search bar to search for Printful. So let's say we click drop shipping right here. The first one that comes up is Printful. So we click on that and then we select install and then install again. All right, so to connect the Printful store, I'm going to go ahead and use my Google, or you could sign in if you want to just use the email and password. All right, because I already have a Printful account. So I click sign in, and then you'll see something that says confirm connection. You click on that. Now we have connected Printful to our Ecwid store. All right. So now we want to go ahead and go to products. There should be some filler products here. And if you look at the corner, you can see that Printful is now here as well. So these are some sample products that come automatically with the store. So we want to get rid of all of these. So we select mass update and we can select delete. So we can delete all those items. All right. And if you want to see how your website is set up, you can just click dashboard and this link here. You can see the template. So this is basically the template for our website. No products here as yet, but this is just the basic. All right. So we can select edit site to change that up, but I'm going to do that in another video. In this video, I just want to show you how to add a product. So now that we go to Printful and we refresh this, as you can see, Yard brand is now here active. So if I go ahead and select add a product, all right, here we go. So we can do phone skins, we can do shirts, we can do mugs. There's a lot of products that we can do. All right. So right now I want to do a crop top. So let me choose this one. So you just click on the product that you want to design. So this is where you would upload your design. All right. So I want to do direct to garment printing, DTG. And I only want black based on the design that I'm going to do. All right, so we click here to select our design and click upload a new file, and then we upload that. So once that's uploaded, we can go ahead and select apply, and then so we have, this is the design, rude and outer order. All right, so this would be the first design. So you can size it up so it fits into the print area right there. You can move it up a little bit if you want with the arrows or the mouse. All right, so that is the designs, where you can just reach out to me if you want some designs and I can help you out with that. All right, so this is my first design, rude and outer order. All right, like I said, Jamaican type merch. So you click on continue. So now you can select custom mockups or basic mockups. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go with basic. And then we can choose our models that will model our product. So this will be my main image. I like this one, and then I'm going to go to additional, and you can select additional styles if you want. So if you want this person to be in it, or if you just want the basic shirt by itself, so you can do that. All right, and not because these are blank, they will have the image on it once we're finished. So we go to continue. All right, so if you want to just add something to the name, so you can just put Rude Jamaican T-shirt for short. So Rude Jamaican women's crop top tee. All right, it already has a description here, so you can just leave that as it is. And if you want to attach the size chart, you can do that. I leave that as well. All right, and then select product visibility, so this will be published on our store. And now we continue to pricing. Okay, so Printful charges $17.95 for this, so this is the cost that they charge to print for the shirt. All right, so what we need to set now is the profit margin. So I normally work with about between $5 to $10 profit margin, based depending on the website I'm selling it on, because some website has fees like eBay, so you have to make sure that you have enough profit that after your fees are taken out, you can still end up with a profit. So I'm going to leave it at $10. I'm going to sell these for $27. All right, so if we go click here for push settings, I can activate free shipping right here. So the profit margin I have should be able to cover shipping as well. All right, and we can manually set it to $10 for every product, but I don't want to do that. So after that, now we click save push settings, and then we go ahead and submit to store. So what it's gonna do now is to send our product to our store. So it's being uploaded to Ecwid, so we just wait for that to be done, and there we go. All right, so now we can go ahead and click view in storefront, and now you have it. There we have it. Our first product is listed on Ecwid. How easy is that? All right, so now if someone comes through and they select, see, it's upload with all the sizes that Printful offers. So if they want extra small, they can select that, and if they want to see more, they can see that extra small, the length, the width, and so on and so forth. And they can also share this product on platforms. All right, so we'll need to fix up the website. I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. So if someone clicks add to bag and then they go here, and you would first need to add your payment options like your PayPal, and then when someone selects checkout, the money will go directly to your PayPal. So without making this video too long, this is just the basics of how you integrate Printful with your Ecwid store. All right, so once your store is up, you would create a Facebook page, and then you can run some $2 per day ads depending on your budget. You could go $5 per day, and then you would generate traffic to your store. So when persons go to your Facebook page and they will be redirected to your store and buy, you get profit. So you don't have to store any of the shirts. You don't have to, you can outsource the designs. All right, and you can get your business up and running. So if you want to see more videos like this, remember to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell notification so you know when new videos are out. All right, thanks again, and see you in the next one.